so the first thing is you want to be in your boxing stance when you're holding your pads. Right? You don't want to be square. So left foot forward, right foot back if you're a right-handed fighter. The second thing is the pads want to be close together when we're holding. So if you are in front of your shoulders, over your elbows. So we're not out here or we're not out here. And then you just adjust the height depending on who you're holding for. But always keep them in front of your shoulders, over the elbows. The other thing is you want to give it a little bit of feedback on the punch. So if I was surfing and he throws his jab, I want to meet the punch. I don't want to jam his punch, so I don't want to push down because I want him to get full extension. Just that little bit of feedback is really just a flick of the wrist. So from here, and jab. Then the next thing is you want to always maintain some sort of distance with your fighter. So unless we're working on the inside, he always wants to be an arm reach away and then one step. So he's always one step away from landing a punch. So if I just stick with a basic 1-2, he wants to step in, 2, 1-2. You want to get movement in between combinations. So whenever you throw a combination, you don't want to hang around and get hit. So again, we work at 1-2, and then we move. And he's always staying out of range. 1-2. Give him cues. We use numbers. You can also show with your hands. If I want the jab, I just show you my left hand. If I want the right hand, I show him left hand. If I want both, 1-2, I show him both, right? If I go through each punch, the movement's very small in catching it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? My hands don't move much. I'm not here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just there. So when I throw you a 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? I'm still, elbows are still in, I'm still in front of my shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay? Then if we get into our defensive stuff, everything wants to, you want to throw everything straight down the middle. So if I throw one slip, you're going to jab, slip. Right? I come down the middle, so he has to slip. And I want to punch past him. You don't want to be out there, right? When he doesn't even have to slip. Go straight down the middle, so do a 1 slip, 2, 1 slip, 2. Okay? And with the hooks, they want to be chin high or lower. So if you want to roll, I want to come down, so he has to get under. Right? So we go 1 slip, 2 roll. 1 slip, 2 roll. Then the last thing, if I just kind of go through that first combination, use it as a demonstration. It's a 1 slip, 6, 3, 2 roll, 2. Remember that? So the first job is to land a jab, you get in, he makes me miss, he counters, 2, he makes me miss, and he counters.